The hidden power of radishes that can revolutionize your health in 30 days. Did you know there's a red root that can detoxify your liver while you sleep? What if I told you that American doctors are studying this cheap vegetable to fight cancer? Could it be possible that the answer to high blood pressure is hidden in the leaves you normally throw in the trash? The red radish is much more than that crunchy accompaniment in your summer salads. This small root hides ancient secrets that modern science is only now beginning to unravel. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Chinese already knew its healing power. Today, researchers have discovered that this root can have profound effects on vital organs like the liver, heart, and brain. But here's what no one tells you in conventional medical consultations about this extraordinary vegetable. There's a black variety that is 4 times more powerful than the common version found in markets. And a recent discovery revealed something concerning about the radishes you buy at the supermarket today. Get ready, because what you're about to discover could completely change your approach to natural health. Let's begin. The secret your liver hides about this powerful root. Your liver works tirelessly every day processing toxins and keeping your body functioning perfectly. But did you know that radishes have specific detoxifying properties that your liver really needs? Science has discovered that unique compounds called isothiocyanates and glucosinolates act as true liver cleansing agents. These substances stimulate the natural production of bile, helping your body eliminate toxic waste accumulated daily. Researchers have also identified specific sulfur-containing substances like raphanin and raphanol present in red radishes. Clinical studies have demonstrated that these compounds can significantly reduce liver damage caused by environmental toxins. For people who suffer from elevated triglyceride or cholesterol levels, radishes become a powerful ally. Biliary diseases and migraines of hepatic origin can also benefit from regular consumption of this medicinal root. The most impressive thing is that you don't need enormous doses to obtain these protective benefits. Just 1 medium radish per day can already start making a difference in your liver health. But what exactly makes radishes so special compared to other common vegetables? The hidden chemical compounds that transform radishes into natural medicine. The chemical composition of radishes is a true natural pharmacy waiting to be fully discovered. Scientists have identified phenolic compounds like caffeic and ferulic acid that possess impressive antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. There are also nitrogen compounds and alkaloids like sinapine that have demonstrated the ability to naturally reduce blood pressure. The phenylethylamine present in radishes acts directly on blood vessels, promoting relaxation and better circulatory flow. Various specialized enzymes like cysteine synthase, myrosinase, and peroxidase work together, offering antifungal and antioxidant protection. Radishes contain essential fatty acids like linoleic acid from the omega-6 family, fundamental for cellular health. Glucosinolates deserve special attention for their proven anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. Scientific evidence suggests that these compounds can help prevent prostate, rectal, and lung cancer specifically. Phenolic glycosides and flavonoids like quercetin and cyanidin function as powerful antioxidants, constantly fighting free radicals. This unique combination of nutrients explains why ancient cultures valued radishes so much in their medicinal practices. But is there really solid scientific evidence about their specific anti-cancer effects? The scientific discovery that could change your fight against cancer. Modern oncological research is revealing surprising anti-cancer properties hidden in this common red root. The characteristic spicy flavor of radishes comes mainly from glucosinolates, working in conjunction with specialized myrosinase enzymes. When combined with antioxidants like vitamin C, these compounds create a powerful defense against specific cancer cells. Clinical studies have demonstrated significant benefits for people at risk or already diagnosed with prostate cancer. Research on breast cancer revealed that radishes can inhibit the growth of mammary tumor cells. A special compound found in radish seeds called sulforaphane showed the ability to eliminate cancer cells directly. Scientists consider sulforaphane a promising anti-cancer agent that deserves more in-depth clinical investigation. It's important to emphasize that radishes do not replace conventional oncological treatments, but can be a valuable complement. Always consult your oncologist before incorporating any food as part of your cancer-fighting strategy. Prevention continues to be the best approach, and regular radish consumption can be part of that strategy. But the anti-cancer benefits are just the tip of the iceberg of what this vegetable can offer. 8 surprising transformations that happen when you eat radishes every day. First, your immune system receives a significant boost thanks to nutrients that naturally strengthen defense cells. A 2019 study discovered that radish extract efficiently improves important immune cells. Lymphocytes, T cells, and immunoglobulins all respond positively to regular consumption of this powerful medicinal vegetable. Second, your intestinal health improves dramatically, relieving problems like constipation and persistent stomach disorders. Polyphenols, glucosinolates, and isothiocyanates work together, creating a naturally healthier and more balanced intestinal environment. Recent research from 2023 discovered that radish leaves contain polysaccharides with a probiotic effect. Third, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes through consistent daily consumption. Radishes help maintain healthy glycemic balance by reducing intestinal glucose absorption and improving cellular energy metabolism. Fourth, your body gains natural antifungal protection, being more effective than some common commercial antifungal medications. Studies showed that white radish essential oil can efficiently eliminate certain types of fungi. Fifth, your skin becomes healthier, protected against free radicals and harmful daily ultraviolet radiation. Polyphenols present in radishes offer anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, calming, and soothing properties for sensitive skin. Sixth, your respiratory system strengthens, increasing resistance against common and seasonal respiratory infections. Seventh, you experience improvement in liver function with natural detoxification and reduction of oxidative cell damage. Eighth, your digestion becomes more efficient thanks to fiber and enzymes that facilitate daily food processing. But there's still a specific cardiovascular benefit that very few people know about radishes. The simple method doctors use to control blood pressure naturally. Arterial hypertension affects millions of Americans, being a silent risk factor for serious heart diseases. Very few people know that radish green leaves contain a compound called ethyl acetate that is extremely beneficial. This compound has demonstrated the ability to reduce not only blood pressure, but also dangerous irregular heart rate. Researchers discovered that radishes can be as effective as traditional dietary changes for blood pressure control. A specific variety called Saccharojima daikon proved to be even more beneficial for overall cardiovascular health. Its high content of trigonelline, an indispensable compound for good blood vessel health, makes all the difference. Nitrogen compounds present in radishes promote vascular relaxation, improving blood flow to vital organs. It's important to mention that people taking blood pressure medications should consult a doctor before significantly increasing consumption. The combination of radishes with antihypertensive medication can cause dangerous excessive drop in blood pressure. Always seek professional guidance before using foods as part of treatment for cardiac conditions. Now you're going to discover a simple and delicious way to obtain all these benefits daily. The miracle! Drink that eliminates abdominal inflammation in hours. Radish water has become extremely popular among Americans, seeking to naturally and quickly reduce abdominal inflammation. This simple drink takes advantage of the natural anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties of radishes, favoring better immediate digestion. The elimination of retained fluids happens naturally when you consume radish water regularly. Experts recommend consuming this water on an empty stomach to obtain maximum benefits and quick relief from gastric discomfort. Many people report visible reduction of abdominal bloating in just a few hours after morning consumption. The preparation is incredibly easy, and you probably already have all the necessary ingredients at home now. This drink works because it gradually releases nutrients and active compounds from the radish directly into pure water. The infusion process allows your body to absorb these nutrients in a smoother and more efficient way. In addition to reducing inflammation, radish water also offers extra hydration crucial for healthy metabolic processes. Many American nutritionists are already recommending this drink as part of their patients' morning routines. Let's see exactly how to prepare this powerful water in just 4 simple steps. The 4-step recipe that is revolutionizing natural detoxification. You'll need only 1 medium radish and 1 liter of good quality filtered water. Step 1. Wash the radish carefully under running water to remove any soil residue or pesticides. Step 2. Peeling the radish is optional depending on whether you prefer a milder or more intense flavor. The skin contains additional nutrients, so consider leaving it if you bought certified organic radishes. Step 3. Cut the radish into small cubes or thin slices to increase surface contact with water. The smaller the pieces, the greater the release of beneficial compounds into the water during infusion. Step 4. Place all pieces in a glass jar with a liter of water and let it rest. The ideal resting time is overnight in the refrigerator, or at least 4 hours. Strain before drinking to remove solid pieces, leaving only water infused with nutrients. You can add a few drops of fresh lemon to improve flavor without compromising medicinal benefits. But there's a part of the radish that you're probably wasting that is incredibly nutritious. The part of the radish you throw away, but should be eating. The green leaves of radishes are completely edible and surprisingly more nutritious than the root itself. They provide an extra concentrated dose of vitamin A and vitamin C, essential for eye, skin, and immune health. The fiber present in the leaves significantly improves digestion, helping regular and healthy bowel movement. These leaves have high calcium and iron content, minerals indispensable for the production of red blood cells. The calcium from the leaves also contributes to adequate bone density, preventing future osteoporosis. Radish leaves favor kidney health, helping filtration and elimination of toxins through the natural urinary system. Their high antioxidant content prevents premature aging by combating cellular damage caused by daily free radicals. You can add fresh radish leaves to green salads for crunchy texture and slightly spicy flavor. Green smoothies become more nutritious when you include a handful of fresh washed radish leaves. Make homemade pesto sauce by replacing traditional basil with radish leaves for a unique and healthy version. Sauté leaves in extra virgin olive oil with fresh garlic, lemon, and organic soy sauce. Add chopped leaves to homemade soups, favorite omelets, or as a creative topping on healthy artisan pizzas. But there's an even more powerful radish variety that very few Americans know about or have experienced. Black radish, the forgotten variety that is 4 times more powerful. Black radish has an almost black dark outer skin with white inner pulp and a more intense spicy flavor. This ancestral variety contains up to 4 times more glucosinolates compared to the common red radish from supermarkets. This means significantly more potent and effective detoxifying, antioxidant, and liver protective properties. Black radish specifically stimulates secretion and elimination of bile, preventing the formation of painful gallstones. Its ability to improve liver function is documented in studies of ancient European traditional medicine. This variety also presents higher concentrations of essential minerals, especially potassium, fundamental for the heart. The antioxidant content of black radish surpasses common versions, offering superior cellular protection against oxidative stress. To obtain maximum benefits, prepare black radish water following the same simple recipe mentioned earlier. Simply substitute common red radish with fresh organic black radish from a good source. The flavor will be stronger, so you can start with a smaller amount and gradually increase as you get used to it. Unfortunately, there's a growing concern about contamination in radishes that you need to know about urgently. The urgent alert about contamination that every consumer needs to know. British researchers confirmed the alarming presence of nanoplastics in edible parts of radishes sold in supermarkets. These microscopic plastic fragments measure less than 0.1 micrometers, being practically invisible. Nanoplastics manage to cross natural plant barriers, accumulating in roots and leaves that we consume daily. Regular consumption of nanoplastics can compromise cellular health, causing chronic inflammation and serious metabolic diseases. Studies suggest a link between nanoplastics and the development of type 2 diabetes and progressive arterial atherosclerosis. These contaminants easily penetrate cell membranes, accessing vital organs and important tissues of the human body. To reduce exposure, choose radishes grown in soils free from verified and certified plastic contamination. Avoid products fertilized with sewage sludge that frequently contains concentrated microplastics and nanoplastics. Prefer certified organic radishes or those grown in controlled hydroponic systems with properly filtered water. Always wash radishes very well under running water before consuming, even if they are certified organic. But not everyone should consume radishes freely, as there are important contraindications to consider. Caution: when radishes can become your enemy. Despite numerous proven benefits, radishes are not suitable for all people in all circumstances. Excessive consumption can cause significant gastrointestinal discomfort, especially in people with pre-existing digestive sensitivity. People with hypothyroidism should be cautious because glucosinolates can interfere with normal thyroid function. These compounds inhibit iodine metabolism, an essential element for adequate production of important thyroid hormones. If you have thyroid problems, consult an endocrinologist before significantly increasing radish consumption. Radishes contain vitamin K, which can dangerously interfere with anticoagulant medications like warfarin. This interaction can cause serious, potentially fatal side effects in patients who regularly take anticoagulants. Always inform your doctor about significant dietary changes, especially if you take continuous use medications. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult an obstetrician before consuming radishes in large daily quantities. People with a history of kidney stones should moderate consumption, as radishes contain natural oxalates. If you experience allergic reactions after consuming radishes, discontinue use immediately and seek medical guidance. Symptoms like facial swelling, breathing difficulty, or skin rashes require immediate urgent medical attention. Moderation continues to be key to enjoying benefits without unnecessary risks to your individual health. Now you have complete knowledge about this extraordinary vegetable and how to use it with maximum safety. You discovered today how a simple vegetable can profoundly transform your health in surprising ways. Radishes prove to be much more than a crunchy accompaniment, offering protection for the liver, heart, and immune system. From anti-cancer properties to blood pressure control, this humble root hides extraordinary medicinal power. You learned about the more potent black variety and the importance of consuming nutritious leaves frequently wasted. You also discovered concerns about nanoplastics and when radishes may not be appropriate for certain medical conditions. Remember always that natural foods are powerful tools, but do not replace qualified professional medical guidance. Always consult a health professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. The journey to vibrant health begins with simple choices you make every day in your kitchen. Each radish you add to your diet is a step toward a healthier, more energetic life. Don't wait until tomorrow to start transforming your health with this powerful knowledge you acquired today. Visit your local market, buy fresh organic radishes, and begin your health transformation journey immediately. Prepare your first radish water tonight and wake up tomorrow ready to experience real benefits. Share this knowledge with family and friends because health is the most valuable gift we can offer. Your body will thank you for every conscious decision you make to nourish it with powerful natural foods. The change begins now, and you have all the necessary tools to completely transform your health. Make this information your starting point for a more vibrant life full of energy and lasting vitality. You deserve to live better, and this small vegetable can be your powerful ally in this transformative journey. Start today, because each day is a new opportunity to choose health, vitality, and genuine well-being. Your healthier future is waiting, and it all begins with the simple decision to add radishes to your life.